Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Chilled English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily, and hello to all of our wonderful listeners around the world. Thank you for joining us today.
We are very happy you are here. So, David, how are you today?
I'm doing great, feeling relaxed and ready. How about you, Emily?
I'm doing really well. I'm excited for today's topic because it's something we all do. In fact, many people do it almost every day.
That's right. Today's episode is about going shopping.
Yes, we will learn how to talk about shopping, ask for help in a store, ask prices, understand sizes, and sound polite.
And we'll also talk about different shopping experiences in different countries.
So, let's begin. David, where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the supermarket near my house. It has everything: food, drinks, snacks, cleaning supplies, everything I need.
Sounds convenient. Do you go alone or with someone?
I usually go alone, but sometimes I go with friends if we want to buy snacks and cook together. How about you?
I like going to the market. I enjoy buying fresh vegetables, fruits, and meat. And I also love talking with the sellers there.
Oh, yes, local markets are fun. The atmosphere is friendly and colorful.
Word phrase. Meaning. Supermarket. A large store selling food and daily items. Cashier. The person who takes your money at checkout. Price. How much something costs. Receipt. The paper you get after you pay. Basket. A small container to carry items in a store. Shopping cart. A larger cart with wheels. Customer. The person buying something. Shop assistant or clerk. The person working in the store.
Now, let's learn some useful phrases.
To ask for something, you can say, "Excuse me, where can I find the rice? Do you have this in a different size? Can you help me, please?"
And to ask the price, you can say, "How much is this? How much does it cost?"
To pay, you can say, "I'd like to pay, please. Can I pay with cash or card? Can I get a receipt?"
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the sugar. Where is it?
It's on aisle 4, next to the flour.
Thank you. And how much is this bag of rice?
It's $6.50.
Okay, I'll take one. Also, do you have fresh milk?
Yes, the milk is in the refrigerated section at the back of the store.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Good job, everyone. That's a simple but very useful conversation.
Yes, you can practice this anytime you shop. David, do you like shopping?
Sometimes, yes. I like shopping for food because I enjoy cooking. But I don't like shopping for clothes. It takes too long.
Laughs. I understand. Some people love clothing shops, some people don't.
How about you?
I enjoy shopping when I have time. I like looking at items, comparing prices, and finding good deals.
Yes, that's called bargain hunting, searching for the best price.
In some countries, like the US, most people buy everything in big supermarkets.
Yes, but in many Asian countries, people buy vegetables and meat in open markets.
And in some places, like Morocco, Turkey, or India, there are bazaars where you can negotiate the price.
Right. You can say, "Can you make it cheaper?" Or, "Can you give me a discount?"
But always be polite and friendly. Now, listeners, try to answer these questions. Where do you usually shop? What do you often buy? Do you like shopping? Why or why not? Do people negotiate prices in your country?
You can write your answers in the comments or say them out loud for speaking practice.
Well, that's all for today's episode. We hope you learned useful shopping expressions.
And remember, practice speaking in real situations, even if it's just saying, "How much is this?" at a market.
Thank you for joining us today.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
See you next time on Chilled English Podcast. Bye.
Bye.